Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel subscription on Monarch Finance. Right, so how you can do this, you have to just go to Google and you will get this link of this official website of Monarch. You have to click on it. Now here I'm going to show you step by step. So here, once you have accessed the website, you on the top right you will see an option of sign in or sign up. So if you have already an account, then just go and click on sign in. If you don't have any account, just click on sign up. So if I just go and click a sign up, it will ask me to make an account, and here, as you can see here, I can continue to make my account by using any of the ID here. And guys, once you have selected any of the way to make your account, here they will ask you that what brings you to Monarch. So you can just select any one of them and just click on continue if you don't even select any of them. So I will not waste your time here. So here you have to enter your name, your country. Do you manage a financial with a partner? No. Do you work with a financial professional? No. So I will just click on continue. So make sure you just fill up all this information correctly, and I will just click on continue, and this is how you can do it. So they will ask you to buy a subscription. So without taking any of the subscription, you won't be able to access Monarch. On the other side, you will get a 7-day free trial, but you have to give your credit card or debit card details here. Right, so I hope that you understood. Now let's move to the next part. Now, okay guys, so here in the first of all, you have to log in into your account. This is sign up, and you will, from here you will be able to log in, as you can see here. So let me show you. Now here you have to go to the option which you have to navigate to the account setting, right? So here basically this is my account, and here once I click here, I will just go to my account setting. Now guys, you have to scroll to the bottom and you will find an option which is called billing. Now you have to click on your billing section here, and in the account setting, look for the section which is related to your subscription or billing, which we have already came here. What you have to do, this might be labeled as a subscription, billing, manage subscription. In your case it could be different, that's why I'm just giving you the similar names here. In the subscription or billing section, find the option to cancel your subscription, right? So as you can see, I don't have any subscription, that's why I'm not getting any option to cancel it up. But in your case, you will always get an option which will be written as cancel subscription, or you will have something like similar option. Now they will ask you that, are you sure you want to cancel your subscription? Of course we are sure, that's why we are watching this video. After confirming this cancellation, you should receive a confirmation email on your email address, and then you will be able to cancel your subscription, right? Now it will ask you to verify just by entering your account password here, and then you will be able to cancel it completely. By the way, if you want to delete your account, you will see here there's option to delete my Monarch household, right? So this is how you can do it. So this is very easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.